guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber. If you are new here, I'd like to welcome you. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a Bentonite clay mask on my hair. I do use a lot of products on my hair and I really think that it's time for me to do like a really good detox on my hair. So I decided to go with the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It says it's the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing. It's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So even though it says that it's a powerful facial, like it can also be used for your hair. So the directions say that you can mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. It says to use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well into a smooth paste and add more clay or liquid as needed. Okay, so this is the bowl that I'll be using to put my little clay mixture in. This is the healing clay that I'll be using, and I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar as my mixture. And I do have my water bottle here. I'm just going to use it to spritz my hair with some water to get, you know, a little bit more moisture in my hair to make it easier for me to apply the healing clay mask. So I'm going to go ahead and get my little mixture ready so I can begin to apply it to my hair. So I'm done mixing up my paste, and this is what the consistency is. So I am just going to go ahead and take my hair out of this puff and start applying it to my hair. So I'm just gonna go with this much first. This is the consistency. Doesn't feel gritty or anything, feels nice and smooth. Yeah, I definitely think my hair should be a little bit more moist. I just sprayed the inside of my ear, y'all. It's hardening pretty fast. I will say that I think that you should apply it to wet hair, or you can make your the consistency of your clay a little bit looser than I did, because mine was more like a paste. So I'm just going through and like just spritzing my hair some more, especially the side that has had the clay on it for a while, just so it'll be easier to apply what's left over to my hair. I'm just gonna kind of squeeze it so I can make sure it gets through the gets to my hair that's like underneath or in between. See, there's some empty pieces right there. Not pieces, but empty spaces right there. So I'm just gonna apply it there. Just make sure I get it all over. So the directions say to leave this clay on for 5 to 10 minutes. Clearly it has been on my hair more than 10 minutes already, just for me trying to apply it to my hair. So I'm basically just going to leave it on my hair probably like an additional 15 more minutes, or until it gets hard. Once it's gotten hard, then I'm gonna wash it out in the shower and not in the sink, because I want to make sure that I get every bit of the clay rinsed out of my hair. So once I'm done rinsing it out, I'll come back and show you guys what my results are. So stay tuned. So I'm done rinsing the clay mask out of my hair, so I'm just gonna take my hair down so you guys can see what it's looking like. See, I have some still in here. Yeah, so my hair is soft, and I know like in these front sections here, like they tended to be more frizzier than before, and I can really see like some definition right here. So that is really good. And as you can see, like all through my hair, like the definition is bomb. So I will definitely be incorporating these Indian clay masks into my routine. I probably won't do another one until maybe like the end of June, but I can really say that I do see a difference, especially like in the front sections of my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys my first experience with doing a bentonite clay mask. Let me know down below if you've done a clay mask before, if you used apple cider vinegar, or if you used something else. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.